Okay, so you're looking to activate your Ally online banking, but you're not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to walk you through the step-by-step process. But before we get started, let's talk about why you might want to use Ally online banking. For starters, it's a convenient way to manage your finances from anywhere in the world. You can check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, and more, all from your computer or mobile device. Plus, Ally offers a variety of features that can help you save money and reach your financial goals. So, are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. How to activate your Ally online banking. Go to the Ally Bank website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to create a username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account. After you've verified your identity, you'll be able to access your online banking account. Here are some additional tips for activating your Ally online banking. Make sure you have your Ally Bank account number and PIN handy. You'll need these to create your username and password. If you're having trouble activating your online banking, you can contact Ally Bank customer service for help. Once you've activated your Ally online banking, you can start using it to manage your finances. Here are a few things you can do with your Ally online banking. Check your balances. Transfer money between accounts. Pay bills. Deposit checks. Set up automatic savings transfers. View your transaction history. And more. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on personal finance. I'll see you next time.